Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to add annotations in Google Analytics 4. So annotations are just a notes you can add in Google Analytics line chart reports. Here you can see an example button on top header, and if you did any changes in your website or Google updates or launch any campaign, you can add every notes here. So it will help you to analyze your website. You can easily check the impact and compare. So let's see how to add this. You can open any reports, line chart reports, and select the date. Suppose this is the date, and click here, right click, and then click on add annotation. Suppose my change is header banner change and description for home page. Choose the colors. This is fine because it is different from this one, and then click create annotation. So here you can see this is added. So now let's see another reports. Any report randomly I can open and I can see the same annotation is visible here. So in every reports it will be visible. If you want to delete it, you can easily delete from here, and here there is option delete annotation and confirm. Alright, so one more method you can do all this. Click on admin and you can go to annotations, and here you can create annotation, add all everything, and date you can select from here. So it is, I think, more easy, and you can also delete it from here if you want to. Suppose I want to delete this, you can easily delete it. And there is a limit 1000 annotations you can create only in Google Analytics 4. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Have a nice day.